Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. So, are we ready to finish up our very last 12 days of Craftmas? I am very sad that the series is coming to an end. I loved doing it. I hope you have enjoyed the series. So yeah, and I hope that y'all have a great holiday. Whatever you celebrate. I hope that it's very joyous for you. Alright, so this is my very last thing that I'm going to do. I told you no painting on this last one. Alright, this last year I did something along the lines of this. It was a gingerbread man, girl. I don't quite remember everything that it was, but so this looks like it's a little polar bear. And yes, it's a little polar bear. Again, I got this last year when it was on clearance. It was so much fun to do the year before, so I decided I wanted to do it. And Barry loves polar bears. The Christmas polar bears are his favorite. So here's our instructions on how to do this guy. Oh, he's plastic this year. Oh, whoa, whoa. Last year it was foam, or it was not plastic. Okay, well, this should be interesting. All right, so we've got all the materials here. We've got everything we need here. So let's just get to creating. Alright, so it looks like the first thing that we need to do is, oh no. Y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Complete step A before moving on to step B. Oh. I'm not going to like this because I'm going to tell you why. Last year, they told us exactly where to put the stuff. There were little dots all over it. There's no little dots on here. Oh, I don't like that. So now I'm going to have to make the decision on how to place all this. Okay, it's styrofoam. I mean, how do you know you're going to have enough stuff? I don't like this. I really wish that they would have... Okay, so I was panicking for no reason. So you're supposed to put the plush in when you pop it in. Not like do the holes and then do it. Okay, I get it now. Alright, well I started on number 4, which is what color? What color are you, number 4? Oh, there we go. Number 4 is like this. Oh no, that's white. I think it's these, yes. Ooh, I'm sparkling. Okay, so there you go. Once I got over the initial freaking out of where do I put these to make sure that I put them in the right place, it was fun. So just have fun with it. And just cover up. You get plenty, as you can see. I've got plenty of leftovers. I was afraid that I wouldn't have enough, but they give you plenty. So there we go. You need to go in there, buddy. In there. Okay. I mean, I'm just looking right now at the empty, you know, spots. And just adding, if I can see some of that gray from the body, I just put a thing, a piece of fabric, like right here. You can see. Okay. All right. So now we're going to put the eyes. I think it turned out adorable. It's so cute. So there it is. All right, so that's it for my 12 days of Craftmas. We're done. Yay, ba-boo. On the same note, because I really loved, oh, that's cute. I really loved doing this series. So I looked so forward to it this year. So I'm so glad that I could get it done and have it ready for y'all. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you, like I said, have a very happy holiday, whatever you celebrate. So thank y'all so much for watching and supporting me. I truly appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. That all helps my channel to grow, and I appreciate it. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.